All right, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you what to do to your printer to avoid getting any, if your vat leaks, if it's got a pinhole or worse, a big hole, and it leaks out resin on this LED screen, it can leak in and get around here and get down into the printer itself, and that's going to cause you a lot of problems. And it's going to cost you some money more than likely. But I just got these in the mail, and I'm going to use one of these to fix it. I ordered these from MACH5IVE out in San Diego, California. And it's just basically a gasket that goes around here that you just peel off and stick on. It's better than tape. It's low adhesive, so it ain't all gummy and it doesn't get adhesive everywhere. And then whenever I get done with that, I'll have to re-level my plate, because then the distance will have changed a little bit because of the thickness of the gasket. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. It's as easy as this. Well, first let me put my glasses on. You peel your gasket off, and it goes right around. Oh, let me turn it around there. It goes right around the edges of this screen. Well, I see what's going on here. I'm still trying to put this on wrong. You need to mind where that black edge on that printer face is. And then just lay it down. Make sure that you see that black all the way around on there. But if not, you're covering up the glass. And mine is just a little bit off. So I'm going to pull it back up, reposition it. And it's okay if you screw up, because they sent me 3. Now, if I get another printer of this size, I will be able to gasket up to 2 more of them. And not have to worry about it. And that's how it's done right there. It's that easy. It's putting on a sticker. But you got to make sure that you see that black, the black edge on that print screen around the edge of this gasket. If you don't see that, then you're covering up your UV field out here. And that's not good. But now we don't have to worry about resin leaking down into our machine and ruining it. So go ahead and hit up MACH5IVE and get you some gaskets. And it looks good too. All right, I hope that helped. And Oh, let me give a quick shout out to who I heard about this from. I heard about this over at 3D Print Farm. I was watching that guy do some 3D printing on some of his printers, and he even reviewed this printer shortly before I purchased this printer. And his review is what made me decide to go ahead and get this printer. And I also heard about the MACH5IVE gaskets from 3D Print Farm. So thank you to 3D Print Farm. You got some good content. I will leave a link to your channel in the description. And thank you for your information, because I've been watching your videos and I've learned a lot about this before I even got this machine, thanks to you. So just letting you know I appreciate what you're doing over there. And keep up your good videos. And we will see you later.